I'm just literally sitting there. Totally wrong direction. Oh, yo, okay. I don't want to slide out. Yo. Let's go. Oh my gosh, all this mud. I'll be careful down this way too, because people walk down this way. Oh, I was gonna say, whoa, whoa, holy shoot, bro. Before we go ahead and get started, we need to go ahead and tighten everything. But we're gonna have to tighten everything up. Alright, I think I found some. Oh, that one fits good. I don't know where the other ones went, but I think this will work. I'm just gonna check the other side. Okay, we gotta get this one off. This one actually seems to be a little bit worse. Not too bad. I just took all the bolts, not that one. Oh, that one was loose. That's good. Now we need a screwdriver because I have the wrong, I don't know why, but I do. Get as tight as I can. Then we get like a really small one. Then we need the kickstand. Let's see the kickstand. Let's see if that actually works. That work is best. Try to make it best as I can. Alright, now let's go ahead and test this. I got everything locked and loaded, ready to go. I tightened all the bolts down. I tightened my rear bolt down, which is good. And let's just go as best as we can. It's a little hot out here, I'm gonna say. But we're gonna make it work today. Hopefully I'll just stay out here as long as I possibly can. Let's go this way. It is gonna be kind of hard because it is kind of hot. And there's also other stuff happening. It should get cooler, but it's whatever. Alright, let's go over here and go this way. We literally just came from this way, but we're gonna go ahead and check out what's down this way. Hopefully something good. Who knows? I'm just literally sitting there. Not even using all the power that I can possibly use here. Whoa! Whoa. Alright. Alright, let's give that a try. It's gonna be very, very hot over here. I know that. I know that. Woo! Lord, oh my god. Another person out here. I'm not trying to stay out here too long. But I guess I'll go all the way down over here. Probably go back, head that way. I didn't get to make it all the way down there yet, but we're gonna do it for now here. Gotta remember, this is a through street, so cars do happen to come down this way. So I gotta watch out. I gotta watch out with that. Let's go. Totally wrong direction. Oh, yo, okay. I don't want to slide out. Yo. Let's just go around over here. That'll be nice. Yeah, I can. Let's go back up this way. Yo! We want to watch out for all vehicles. I don't know what's going to be coming our way. They sure as heck wasn't. We're not? Okay. I just feel like someone's going to be waiting for me. Let's go this way. Let's go. Alright, I need to get over. That's the first thing I need to do. I'm trying to get away from all the cars. And it is getting hot out here as well. So I'm trying to get up out of here as quickly as possible. Oh my gosh, all this mud. I'll be careful down this way too, because people walk down this way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay away from that water. Not with the water. So I should watch out, because there's people that come through here, but I'm driving recklessly. I'm just as scared as you watching. Whoa, just get smacked with a big tree. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That actually scared me. That actually scared me. I thought someone was coming out. I thought someone was popping out. But here we go. Keep going. That's just people, but terrain and stuff. Alright.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
250.
Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, what the heck is this, bro? Oh, no, bro. Is this serious? She's a cop right now, bro. We seen 3 cops in this direction. Alright. Pay attention, bro. There's already multiple cops right here, bro. I'm not trying to get mauled out by no cop again. Let's just please get away. Oh, I could've went this whole time. What am I doing, bro? I'm just literally standing right here, bro. Oh my god. I literally just sitting right there. Oh, I was gonna see, the dude needed something. Oh, did you need something, bro? Oh, I thought dude needed something. I'm here to help, bro. I help out sometimes. Bro. Oh, I just look one more time. Nah, dude's just scavenging. Dude's just scavenging. Whoa. Whoa, holy shoot, bro. Oh, it just fell. It was so slippery around that corner on my front tire. What happens when these skinny tires? Well, cause you have no clearance for bigger tires. So, it is what it is. Wow. I do not want to be riding around right now, just because. But with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys are watching and made it to the end, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and hype, and we'll catch you in the next one.